Something else to chew on, leash management. We want to lead the dogs. We want the dog to know when they feel a certain thing, hey, Dino, no, that means something. So for this, if I want him to come to me, good boy, it's just shaking the leash. So, good boy, good boy. I know, good boy. But he will never understand and feel that pressure and learn how to turn it off if he's pulling like a bull that he is, right, Mr. Dino? So yes, this is a tool, this is a lead. Lead the dog with it. Don't just put this on to restrain the dog.